Actuator. An actuator is a part of a device or machine that helps it to achieve physical movements by converting one energy into mechanical force. The energy might be electrical, air, or hydraulic that is converted into mechanical force. In simple words, it is the component in any machine that enables movements. Hi, I'm Dr. Anzar Ahmed, and in this video, I would like to share something about actuator, its application in IoT, how actuator works, and types of actuator. So you would be able to understand A to Z about actuators. Actuators are not something you would read about every day in media, unlike artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, and some other advanced technology. But the reality is that it plays a critical role in the modern world almost like no other device ever invented. Whatever luxury or automated system you have around you, this is all because of actuator. Actuators are present in almost every machine around us, from simple electronic access control system, the vibrator on your mobile phone, and household appliances, to vehicles, industrial devices, robots, and many more. Let me explain the role of actuator in IoT. First of all, we should try to know what is IoT network. An IoT network is made up of physical objects or things plus controller, that is called brain of the network, plus sensors plus actuators, and of course all things are connected with the internet. An actuator is a machine component or system that moves or controls the mechanism of the system as per the instruction received from the controller. The function of the sensor in the device to sense the environment and pass this information to the controller. The controller generates the control signals for the actuators according to the action needed to perform. A servo motor is an example of an actuator. They might be linear or rotatory. Actuators can move to a circular fashion or angular fashion or in linear position. We can use servo motor for IoT application, make the motor rotate to 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree as per the application we need. This diagram shows that actuators to the controller direct the actuator based on the sensor data to the network. First, sensor measure the environment. It might be temperature, and these sensors continuously measure the temperature, and this information is passed to the controller, or that is called the decision maker body of the network. Lot of algorithm, lot of controller, microcontroller works here. If temperature gets above certain temperature, then it turns on the fan, else there is no need of action. Then actuator does make the fan on. This is the function of actuator in IoT network. Isn't it fabulous and important function of an actuator? Working of an actuator. The control system acts upon an environment through the actuator. It requires a source of energy and control signals. When it receives a control signal, it converts the source of energy to a mechanical operation. The source of energy may be hydraulic, pneumatic, electrical actuator. In this diagram, you can show that we are applying any type of energy, whether this is hydraulic, electrical, pneumatic, and one more signal, it is fed to the actuator, and actuator convert that energy into mechanical force. Of actuators, on the basis on which form of energy it uses, there are different type of actuators. First one is hydraulic actuators, second is pneumatic actuators, third one is electrical actuators, and there are magnetic actuators too, but we are going to discuss only three types of actuators here. First one, electrical actuators. An electrical actuator uses electrical energy, is usually actuated by a motor that converts electric energy into mechanical torque. And there are so many examples of electrical actuators. And the best example is in AC and DC motors. And these are applied to control the home appliances or so many things or gadgets. Hydraulic actuators. A hydraulic actuator uses hydraulic energy to perform a mechanical operation. They are actuated by a cylinder or fluid motors. The mechanical motion is converted to rotary, linear, or oscillatory motion according to the need of the IoT application. And the best example of hydraulic actuators you can observe in construction equipments like JBC machine or mixture, or just you can experience it in lift also, and escalator in malls. And the next one is, third one is pneumatic actuators. A pneumatic actuator uses energy formed by vacuum or compressed air at high pressure to convert into either linear or rotatory motion. The best example of pneumatic actuators used in robotics, and that's why they have become so popular. Whenever we talk about robots, we never forget to name actuators. They are the hero behind the robots technology and some other automated system. So it was all about actuators. What is actuators? Role of actuator in IoT technology. Then working of actuators, and finally types of actuators, so that you can use as per your convenience, as per your application. Ahmad signing out until we meet again.